questioning if you're going to be the one to be making $5,000 or more as a loan signing agent, because typically most loan signing agents make $75 to $150 an hour. Are you questioning, are you going to be one of those loan signing agents? And if you already are a loan signing agent, are you having questions on how can you make this a legitimate business? Well, all these questions I'm going to go ahead and answer. So make sure you stay to the end of the video and you're going to have some helpful tips on getting started with this career. Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Kel'a. How you doing? Okay. We talk about all things business, the balance between being a mother, entrepreneur, and all the hats we wear as women. We talk about how we're going to get on a six-figure gang, meaning how we're going to get on a six-figure income this year, all 2021, and the rest of the years to come, because we are successful, we are beautiful, we are worthy, we are enough, right? So it's very simple to become a loan signing agent. You don't need a degree. You definitely can make $75 to $150 an hour. It's very possible to make six figures. It's very possible to make $5,000 a month, only doing, not even a bare minimum, but working full time, but also just being able to own your own time too. And that's what it's about. If I'm gonna have a business, I wanna make sure that I'm gonna get my money's worth and my return back, and I wanna make sure that I can own my own time, because financial freedom is truly the goal. But also owning your own time is the goal too, because you want to be able to make enough money to be able to pour into the things that you want to achieve and accomplish. That's what you can do as a loan signing agent. Yes, you'll make your money back. Yes, you'll make $75 to $150 an hour. Yes, you can make $5,000 or more as a loan signing agent. Let's get that out the way. You're not wasting your time. I'm going to make this as transparent, as quick and easy as possible for you to go ahead and start your new journey as a loan signing agent. And if you already are a loan signing agent, you need to stay to the end of the video, because I'm going to tell you exactly how to go ahead and get started in making your business legit in one day. Okay? So let's go ahead and get started. How do I become a loan signing agent in 2021? We're going to talk about this as if you're in Ohio, where I am. Go to nationalnotary.org. Okay, go ahead and go to become a notary in your state. But again, we're talking about it as if we're in Ohio. Become a notary in Ohio. Pick your package. Now, there are 3 different packages. I'm gonna look at these packages because I can't remember. The complete notary package, the standard notary, and the basic. Go with standard. Excuse me. That's what I went with, because it's only one difference between the complete and the standard, which is the Ohio Acknowledgement and Jurat I think it's a certificate. That's it, okay? You might as well go standard, get the same exact stuff for maybe a couple dollars cheaper. Listen, what I've learned from researching all this again is that the commission is taking about 4 to 6 weeks. So on average, it's taking about 4 weeks. Don't hold me to that. It could be sooner, it could be later, but on average, it's 4 to 6 weeks. Don't know what the holdup is. Could be COVID, less people working, not sure. But let's just hope, keep our fingers crossed, put out good energy that it will be sooner than 4 to 6 weeks. If not, continue on your grind. Keep doing what you're doing. Whatever it is you're doing, keep doing it. Okay? So once you go ahead and get your commission back, now this is the fun part, okay? Because if you go ahead and do your notary, it's going to allow you, if you do it in Ohio, to do it all online. Pass it, do it, pass it. Now wait for your commission. Now, fun part is getting the loan signing course, which is on the same exact website, nationalnotary.org. Go ahead and go to loan signing agent. Hit that. Figure out what package you want. I think it's 2, because the third one is just the background check. I went with the middle one, okay? Now, once you do that, it'll give you access to the course. You do this all online. This is all open book. There's no need to stress about becoming a loan signing agent. Open book, easy course. It was I'm gonna be real. It was very challenging, but not impossible, because if you were coming like I came into this with no knowledge about, I didn't know what a jurat was, an acknowledgement, a note, a closing disclosure. I had 0 experience in this field, but if I can do it, you can do it too. And that is just me giving an example. I had no clue. I'm looking like, what y'all talking about? But I still passed. That's what I'm saying. If I can pass with 0 experience And I had no idea that any of these YouTube videos existed before I started. So I'm just like, wow. Like, had I known, I don't know, maybe it would have been kind of discouraging had I seen all these people talking about it and making all this money. And when I started, I wasn't making that much. So yeah, expectations up here versus being realistic. So anywho, go ahead, take that test, pass that test, right? Once you pass it, this is the fun part, because now you have your commission, now you're taking your loan signing test, and you passed it, right? Because you have to pass with an 80%. So be mindful. Take your time, make some good notes out, ask a friend. I don't know, maybe not ask a friend, but, you know, really just study. It doesn't have to be rushed. Although it took me 5 hours, you know, that's because I'm a very, very thorough, like my notes, I mean, as you can see with these notes, like I'm very detailed with my stuff, y'all. I'm not even playing. I know how I learn, and I know how I need to like make notes, so I just overdo it. If you gotta overdo it. You want to pass it and be done, because once you pass this is the fun part. You passed it, right? So go ahead and get that. You have to get your errors and admissions insurance. Now, direct title companies prefer you to have $100,000 in errors and admission insurance. I go with merchant bond, and mine was $120 for 1 year. It actually expires in May 7th at 12:01 a.m. That's what they said. So you have to get that errors and omissions, and then after that, this is the best part ever. Figure out how you want to handle this business. If you want to just go into this as you are, not a sole proprietorship, not an LLC, you can do that too, because I did it at first. But then what I suggest is really taking a step back and realizing this is a legitimate business. Yes, it could be possibly a side hustle, but this is a legitimate business that can make you so much money. Why not do it the proper professional way that's going to take you to the next level and really just set you apart from the basic loan signing agent? I have a website, I have business cards, I have a LLC, I have all this, I have $100,000 in errors and omission insurance. You know, I have all these things. I have all my T's crossed and all my I's dotted. That will separate you from the next loan signing agent. And then after that follows error-free, being thorough, being professional, being kind, being persistent, consistent, and on time, and being the best damn loan signing agent you can possibly be. That also will separate you from the rest, okay? Because I had an experience when I was out doing a signing, a refi, and another loan signing agent came, and she was late. I was there at 2:50. My signing was at 3. We got started at 3:05. She didn't get there till 3:20. She was supposed to be there at 3, and apparently it was some confusion or something. This is why you have to confirm with the borrower. Nobody spoke to her. Nobody heard from her. So he's like, yeah, I spoke to you. I like to call, okay? I like to call to make sure I'm talking to the right person. I like to call just so we are clear on exactly everything, right? So she came an hour and a half away, and I was already there in the middle. And it made me feel like I'm professional also, because why is this signing company sending 2 loan signing agents here? But sis came looking real. I'm gonna be real. Let me be mindful of my words. She's very unprofessional, and you should not sit there and tell a borrower, they gonna pay me anyways. I can't believe this. This is crazy. Like, it'd be that mess for me. Like, and I just was so embarrassed. So what separated me from her was I was professional, and I said, you know what? If you want to take over, if this is what because you're coming from the signing company directly, if they're telling you that, you know, you can finish or you can start over, I will gladly pack my stuff up and go. I'm not going to argue around customers. This is my business. I will not conduct myself that way. But if you want to take over, you can gladly take over. Okay? And she's like, I'm going to just call them. And she called them. And they said, well, who was there first? And she was like, well, I had to drive 1 hour and 30 minutes. That's why I wasn't here first. And you know what they said? You should have left earlier. Whoever was there first can continue the signing. Have a good day. And she slammed their door. So, who looks better? Who looks like a better, more professional signing agent? Not you storming out their door with blue jeans, ripped blue jeans on with multiple different colors of hair and hair greasy and stuck to your face, looking a mess. But that's not my business. Be professional at all times, okay? So you might as well go ahead and continue with this journey of being professional, having everything that will really separate you. So if you decide you want to go ahead and get your LLC, go ahead and go onto the Secretary of State's. Go ahead and go on to File Online. They have the option to go ahead and do the LLC. Here in Ohio, it's $99. They also have the option to go ahead and get it in 4 hours. 4 hours is an extra $300, but I promise you, you can literally set your entire business up in 1 day. Get that thing for 4 hours if you want to. Set your website up. Go on GoDaddy. Get you a website for the year. No coding necessary. It literally walks you step by step how to do it. That's how I did mine. I have no web design experience at all. I was very intimidated, but I did it. Once you do that, go ahead and get you some business cards. Right now, you can go into Vistaprint and save 20% by entering code SAVE20. They always have great deals. They probably even have 50% off if you look. If you sign up, they'll send you all kind of good discount codes. So take advantage. You can do all this on your own time, at your own speed, at your own pace. But I'm telling you, it's only March. You still have the potential to make 6 figures or even close to 6 figures. You still have the capability and you still have the willpower to make $5,000 a month. This is a life-changing career. This career could easily take you to the next tax bracket and take you to the next level in your life, okay? So go from making $12 to $15 per hour, making $800 to $1,000 every 2 weeks, to making $5,000 a month is life-changing, okay? I'm just giving an example. That's not my situation, but I'm saying if that was yours, this could put you in a better position. This is your business. This is you owning your own time. And this will also be able to place you in positions to be able to afford to pour into things that you enjoy, love, and are passionate about. That's what I'm doing. This loan signing is allowing me to be able to pour into my organization, my nonprofit, to be able to file to be a tax exempt status nonprofit because of loan signing. So you have the capability to be and do whatever you want because of this one career. I see people all the time make $5,000 effortlessly, okay, and make $8,000 with a little bit of effort, and $10,000 with all the effort in the world. But imagine making $10,000 a month. Was this helpful? I hope it was. So this was my advice. This is my step-by-step on how to become a loan signing agent in 2021, how to get this money, how to get an LLC, how to go ahead and set your business up for success. Obviously, I have, I'm going to put up here the link to building business credit, because that is the next step. And I'm not going to talk about it again because I already made a video about it, but it's very helpful. It's very easy. It's no personal guarantees. Start building business credit. Get this business taken off in the next couple of weeks. You can do it, okay? If I can do it, you can do it. Hopefully this was helpful. Stay tuned for another episode. Be back shortly. Talk to y'all soon. Bon voyage. Is that what the word is? Au revoir. Mwah.